Again, we are here. We come back again here. It's a second time. Second time we come here in the Joyland. Okay. Oh, this one is second time already. It's a second time that we come here in the Joyland. Okay. Ilagay namin. Ilagay ko yan dyan at saka mag-ano kami, mag-booking. Which one? Very nice.
Look what I found, a machine.
Yeah, it's a machine. Where is our cell phone? It's a machine. Hello. It's our second time we come here already. Yeah. Slowly ganyan. This one is the Joyland. So we are to Yella, sit down. Second time now we come here already. Oh look, oh. Oh, you see, oh. Very nice. Ayan, no. It's very nice. Ayan yun. Binibinta yata to. Oh, yun, no. Ayan, ang ganda. Gift and prize carnival. So, wala pa siyang masyadong tao kasi nga nagpuputor pa. Hindi pa ano. So, yung iba kararating pa lang para what's that, mag-open. Oh, you see. Andun na, oh, yun. Malaki na yung alaga ko. Oh, ayan. Ito yung dati sinasakyan namin. Ang siling. Ayan. Doon sa loob. Maganda talaga sa loob. Ano yung laro? Oh. Ayan yung dekorasyon ng Ramadan. Ayan yung dekorasyon ng Ramadan. Oh. Oh, ayun yung ano ng sa Ramadan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Ayan yung ano nila, traditional nila sa Ramadan. Okay? Ayan. O, ayan, no. I'm here. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano nila, Extreme Off-Road in the Joyland. So, very nice. Kasi I make a video. You know why I'm not always come here. We just to play Sicilin. Now nga I'm lucky because they come already for my second time. Joyland. It's a Joyland. Oh. Yun doon, ang antel yan sa likod. Okay. Meron na akong video doon kaso yung video ko noon not in the proper what's that sa time. Oh, you see, oh. I'm here. I'm just making videos. Oh. Maganda yung ano nila sa. Ayan yan. Ayan. Okay, oh. Maganda. Ilagay ko yan dito. Para nabaliktad na yung cellphone namin. Parang hindi ako kabibo. Oh, ayan yung loob. Ayan yan yung doon. Doon yung mga kinsa, yun yung kinsa. Okay?